So it's been like months since I've done any kind of like a cross-stitch update or anything. The last one that I did at all was in March, and I think that was my Miley Cyrus one. But the last update on the one that I've gotten a little bit of progress on, was in February. It's the end of October now. I wish I could say that, oh yeah, it's like halfway done or something. No, I can't, because most of those months in there, I didn't even touch it. It was one of those things where it's not that I even misplaced it. It was in plain sight all of these months, just partially lack of time availability, and partially just mental health, emotional shit, zapping any desire or creativity whatsoever from my bones. Yeah, honestly, it didn't see any kind of update until the past 2 days, in which point I just marathon ran a crap ton of progress on it, and if I pulled off that kind of progress every single day, this thing would have been done by now. But I haven't, so when I show you it, you're gonna go, Chad, that doesn't even look like you did anything. It's because there's so much fucking white space background on it that I'm trying to fill. It doesn't look like I've done that much, but I'm at over 9,000 stitches on it now. I think, like, the last update, I was at, what, 6,750? I'm past the 9,000 mark. That's just where the last even block across was. So, I haven't gone through and gotten an exact count, because, frankly, I can't be effing bothered to, so... Just like I couldn't be bothered to put on the black wig even though it's still October. I'm like, you know what? This is a quickie little video. I'm cranking it out. I'm uploading it. And then I'm going to bed. So, because yeah, it just... Time management has not been my forte lately. Let's be honest. Let's be honest. So, I need to get back on track with all of the things really badly. Let's put it that way. So anyway, the progress that has been made. Here's where we're at now. I mean, I'm a little further. Mostly the white space background, both up here and over here. Tons of progress there, because I think I was about, way up here before. Now I've made it down here on this side, over here, down to about there. And obviously in the middle, we can see, in fact, there's some difference. There's more on Dino done. A little bit more on Pebble's hair. I'm about to start getting the blue background here and then can do more of her hair and the cross and finish out this block here because, yeah, as we can see, it, like, stops there currently. So, again, I figured I would have more of this done by now, but I don't. But at the same time, it's been the best part of a year since an update, so I figured, what the hell, I'm just gonna do an update. Something about the colder months, even though it's so counterproductive, I seem to work more on cross-stitch stuff in the winter months than in the summer, when it would make much more sense to work on cross-stitch stuff with more daytime hours, with natural sunlight through the window. No, I couldn't possibly do things the easy way, could I? No, of course not. I do them in the part of the year where the days are short and it gets dark early and I'm having to use like 3 different lamps to have enough light to even see what the hell I'm doing. I'm not even working on a dark fabric. My sight is fucked, but anyway. They are itty bitty little stitches, guys, okay? And for how many months it sat on the stretcher thing, the stretch frame, that's what it was. I again forgot my little trick of, oh yeah, wet it down before ironing it. So I thought I had, like, once again ruined it. I have to admit, I think there is at least a slight dip in it that is probably permanent from, you know, being on that rack for the better part of a year in the same spot without moving it. It is what it is, and I guess that's just the natural course of things, and a reminder to myself to actually work on this so that it can, you know, get moved around and not all just be situated on one spot all of the time, digging into it further and further every time I put it back on there, but Anyway. Yeah, I know, it may not look like much to you guys. I see the progress anyway, and I'm pretty proud of that progress, because, I mean, that's a lot of stitch work to have accomplished in just a couple of days. Granted, is a lot of it just big blocks of color? Yes. And that is the only reason that that much got done in that length of time. I don't care. I'm still showing it off. It is what it is. So, when will the next update be? I have no freaking idea. It'll be whenever it will be, and hopefully it'll look like more by then. So, anyway. That is it for this one, guys. So, as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more is all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Get your name on the end card for a month from the time of donating. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.